Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here from FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I am an analyst as well as host of the Grokstar Trading Room and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's a trade that we had this morning in the Grokstar Room on EW, Edwards Life Sciences Corp. Now, it had run up over 8% here, and then was falling again. And when one of our members actually spotted this out from one member of the chat room, and this is what we saw. And what this is forming is what we call a falling wedge. If you want to know more about a falling wedge, just go to FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com to our free chart school, falling wedge, and then right here is a description of it, and then down below here is a picture of it, where it's going down and getting smaller and smaller as it goes, which means that the bears are winning less and less each time. This is actually a bullish formation. When our member spotted it, it had just broken out of that close for the first time above the upper trend line, and then it had this other big bar there. So we immediately started to set this up as a trade, and let's see what happened next. There, right there, boom. Well, I got in at 96.39. I'm now long 96.39 by the time I got that order entered. Let's see what happened next. Continues up. Now, this is the 50-period moving average, possible line of resistance. It did. It just stalled there briefly, and then boom, we're on our way again. Pulling back a little bit. Now kind of forming a pullback or a high base, and pulling back again, and then boom, here she goes, and pulling back there, nice bear pullback forming, pulling my stop up. Oh, and then it got me out. I pulled it up a little too tight, and I got out at 97.48 for 1.1% in 17 minutes. Now, this is just a great example of a falling wedge and how it turned bullish. This is one of the patterns that I found personally very hard to think, why is this a bullish formation? But there's a great example of when it was. So if you are not completely satisfied with the way you're trading now, whether you're a swing trader, a day trader, or a long-term position trader, we offer some of the best training in the industry here at Grok Trade. And in fact, we have a live event coming up a week and a half from now in Las Vegas, where you can come for 3 days to the live mentoring and be sitting in the room with like-minded people. And it's on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, the 24th through the 26th. And we'd love to have you. If you're interested, just contact mentor@groktrade.com, and we'll have a conversation with you to see if this would be a good solution for you. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, just to remind you that successful long-term traders focus on their overall performance and less on each individual trade.